Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a poll in Messenger. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Messenger app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once you are in the Messenger app, let's open a chat to create a poll. Mostly this feature is used for group chats. So navigate to the group and open it. Here, from the bottom left side, tap on the blue plus icon and select polls. Type what your poll is about and then add options. Once you are done, tap on Create Poll. You can see that the poll has been successfully created and posted into the group chat. The group member will open the poll, select an option and then submit. If you want to remove it, tap on the three dots and then tap on Remove. And that's it. This is how you can create a poll in Messenger. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.